You remember Harsh na, my best friend in school? So he met me the other day and we started talking about colleges. He asked me if I'm planning on going abroad and I was like, of course, how about you? And he says with the most dramatic look ever.
Appa nahi manenge.
After a good laugh, we came up with this foolproof plan to convince his parents. Now let's imagine the situation. Living room में आप और आपके parents बैठे हैं. But wait, before we reach this place, there's a bunch of other things we do, right? So like any interview, you'll come up with a set of questions that your parents will ask, and no question is far-fetched or stupid. The first question will obviously be a very harsh and straightforward. करना क्या है तुझे? Your one defense in this situation is research. The most important thing to know is what countries and what colleges you are most interested in. Connect with people who can help you and check the criteria, shortcomings and benefits. This will help you escape the casual insults जो मम्मी पापा मास्टर कर चुके हैं.
लंबे कर लो, साड़ी पहन लो, सड़क पे नाच लो.
इधर आप विटनेस करेंगे एक साइड आई जो मम्मी पापा को देंगी बिकॉज इट जस्ट गॉट रियल. लेट अस नाउ गेट टू द बिगर क्वेश्चन. पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे? नाउ दिस इज ट्रिकी क्योंकि इट्स अ वेरी वैलिड क्वेश्चन. अगेन, रिसर्च इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. फाइंड डिफरेंट स्कॉलरशिप्स एंड लोन्स एंड लुक फॉर पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स सो दैट यू कैन पे योर ट्यूशन. Now to help you out, you can go to Leverage Edu experts who can guide you through the process. इससे मम्मी पापा की आधी टेंशन तो चली ही जाएगी. They'll know कि हमें पता है कि पैसे पेड़ से नहीं उगते हैं. Once you've passed this level, things will get slightly easier logically, but quite real emotionally. जब भी ऐसे conversations होते हैं, parents का patriotism 10 times और बढ़ जाता है. तो आपका अगला सवाल without a doubt होगा, वहाँ ऐसा क्या है जो यहाँ नहीं है? While India is a great country to study, colleges around the world offer great benefits to individuals. Studying abroad can provide you with several academic advantages like practical knowledge and more insights into different viewpoints and cultures. Just make a list of colleges and explain to them how the course is beneficial to you. Your value increases as a professional too, owing to your experiences abroad. But you also know how quick our parents' insults are, right? The next question will just prove that. They'll straight up ask, अकेले अकेले कैसे रह पाओगे? इधर तो कुछ करते नहीं हो. And you know what? They've answered their own question. Tell them, तभी तो बाहर जा रही हूँ. Responsibility आएगी, अपना काम करना आएगा, वापस आकर आपकी भी हेल्प कर दूंगी. Living alone teaches you a lot about household chores and cleaning up after yourself, whether you like it or not. Next question थोड़ा specific है to those जिनका already business है. We understand your pain when people ask, जब आपके पापा ही business कर रहे हैं तो आपको क्यों बाहर जाना है? You tell them right away कि जब तक कुछ नया नहीं आएगा, पापा का बिजनेस तो वही रह जाएगा. Your experience abroad will definitely help you with new ways of thinking and ideating. You'll probably explore different points of view and concepts that will help you not only with continuing but also expanding the horizons of your business. This will also put an end to all nepotism remarks. Finally, let's come to the national concern of India. एक बार चले जाओगे तो वापस क्यों आओगे? क्यों नहीं आएंगे? We'll come back as stronger, wiser, more experienced and more independent people. We'll add to the economy through our expanded knowledge and experience. और नहीं भी आए तो आपको बुला लेंगे. So I also followed these steps. और आज मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ on the finish line. I won. I'd like to thank myself, my dedication, my research, my laptop and Leverage Edu. It wouldn't have been possible without you. I fought my battle and I.
वहाँ यहाँ जैसे मोमोज और छोले भटूरे नहीं मिलेंगे.
तो अगर आप मेरे और हर्ष के जैसे बाहर पढ़ने जाना चाहते हो एंड यू वांट योर पेरेंट्स आल्सो कन्विंस, सो बुक अ फ्री 30-minute consultation with Leverage Edu's expert. Check out the phone number and call us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time.